Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Stock Talk with Jay Sutar. In this channel I discuss the stocks which are likely to be performed over the next weeks. Last week's video was our second video. The stock I had selected, they performed very well. So let us have a review of those stocks. Britannia was the first stock. It hit our target. Lupin hit our target on the second day, but due to negative news in the market, it went below 900. Sun Pharma again went below our stop loss level due to weak result, but recovered from that level. Biocon, it is on the way to achieve our target, but it is likely to be over the next week. Idea was the best performing stock. It gained almost 42%, and the target 7-8 rupees we had indicated in our last video. Cipla, it is on the way to achieve our target. Scott, we had a sell call, so it went almost 850 level and achieved our target. Dr. Reddy, it has achieved our target on the last day. So now for the next week, I have shortlisted 10 stocks. These stocks are from different sectors. So again, the strategy will be to buy these stocks closer to stop loss level in order to maximize return. So before discussing each stock, we will have a short view on Nifty. In our last video, I had mentioned that significant move will come in Nifty when it will cross 9250, 9400 range on upper side. Accordingly, Nifty has moved towards 9600 this week. Now it will move towards 9800, then 10,000. So any decline up to 9400 can be bought in Nifty for a target of 9800, then 10,000. So if you see 1 hour chart of Nifty, here Nifty has moved above 200 day moving average, so that is close to 90 to 50, and after that the entire move has been come. The first stock is Divi's Lab. If you see daily chart of Divi's Lab, it is forming flag and pole pattern. So it is giving a breakout, so Divi's can be bought with target of 2500. Second stock is Torrent Power. It has given symmetrical triangle breakout, so it can be bought for a target of 330. Stock is Marico. It has given inverse head and shoulder pattern breakout on daily chart, so it can be bought with the target of 360, then 380. Fourth stock is Glenmark. It is on the verge of giving inverse head and shoulder pattern breakout, so it can be bought for a target of 380, then 400. Fifth stock is Hero Motor Corporation. It has given breakout of cup and handle pattern on a daily scale, and it has closed above 200 day moving average, so it can be bought for a target of 2500, 2600. Sixth stock is Muthoot Finance. It is on the verge of giving breakout of cup and handle pattern on a daily scale, so it can be bought for a target of 960,000. Seventh stock is Wipro. It has given close above 100 day moving average with a large volume, so it can be bought for a target of 230. Eighth stock is Petronet LNG Limited. It has given a breakout of cup and handle pattern on a daily scale, and it has closed above 100 day moving average, so it can be bought for a target of 270. Ninth stock is Godrej Consumer Product Limited. It has closed near 200 day moving average, so now it can move towards 660-680 zone. Last stock is Motherson Sumi. It has given breakout of rising wedge pattern on a daily chart, so it can be bought for a target of 105.